Hi guys, it's Marty Davis, MarineMax, Osage Beach. Standing aboard a 280 SLX. This is a 2019 model. The boat is equipped with these real teak flooring throughout the entire boat. Definitely adds to the beauty of this nice vessel. Here at the rear, we have the sun area. Retractable seat, sit up so you can have a seat or lounge. And out there coving out, see the boat has plenty of cup holders back here. Inside here we have a nice cooler for the transom area. Nice easy walk through. The boat is equipped with the extra seating here to this starboard side. We've got a GPS alarm here on the helm. You can see it's got a nice GPS system here to help you navigate Lake of the Ozarks. Instrument clusters, got all types of readings you can go, touch screen, very easy to use. Fusion stereo system, it's inset, very sleek looking. Part of this boat is just to be attractive. You got the flip up bolster, side by side seating for two here. You'll notice here we got some blinks because we're out of the water. This is the auto trim system. Does all your tab work for you. Swivel seat here. Got a nice ski locker in the floor. One thing Sea Ray does very well is to give you a very nice head. Got a nice little sink. You can see there's even teak down there. Center walk through out to the bow. Here we've got flip down armrest, making it comfortable for your passengers up there that are lounging. They do flip out of the way for when you need a couple more seats up here. Again, cup holders all around. The boat is equipped with a stainless steel anchor, wash down, and of course it's windlass. Do another quick walk through this beautiful boat. You got a designated cooler storage here and a nice little cooling tray in there. This is Marty Davis, MarineMax, Osage Beach. If you have any questions about this boat, give me a call, 573-286-1130. Thanks.